Hey folks, Nabil from Auto Repair Champs. This 2003 Toyota Corolla came in yesterday. Customer indicated they took it to a shop. They replaced the AC compressor down there. They were still having problems. She was upset. She came in here asking us to look at it and see what's going on. The first thing we wanted to check for are the fuses and relays, and I just wanted to point out this could be as simple as just a fuse or relay. In some cases, of course, not every single time. Sometimes it's this pressure sensor, sometimes it's the clutch on the AC compressor not working, and it could be also a fuse or relay. So the relay that you want to check on the fuse box by the engine bay is called MGCLT, and that's what's responsible for the clutch on the AC compressor. There is another fuse, actually not a fuse, it's another relay that's a 40 amp relay that located down here. I won't be able to reach to it right now, but we have already checked on that. There is 3 relays. One of them is 40 amp. That's the one that you need to check on, and the rest are just the fuses that are 10 and 15 amps. It turned out to be this relay is bad. As soon as we put a new one, everything is working fine. I just wanted to make sure that you guys take the time to check on these fuses and relays before you start digging into, you know, a more expensive problem and replacing the AC compressors. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and thumbs up. We appreciate it. Thanks. Great day.